Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable Vibrate notifications on Snapchat using the latest updated version of the app. If you've been missing alerts because your sound is off, this setting can make a big difference. Let's jump right in. First, open your Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main camera screen, look up to the top left corner. You'll see your Bitmoji or profile icon there. Go ahead and tap on it to access your profile page. Now that you're on your profile screen, look toward the top right corner. You'll find a small gear icon, which is your settings menu. Tap on that to open up all your Snapchat settings. Inside the settings, scroll down a bit until you find the notifications option. It should be clearly labeled, so once you see it, tap on it to continue. This is where Snapchat lets you control how you receive alerts. Scroll down through the notification settings until you find the Vibrate option. Once you see it, simply tap the checkbox next to it to enable vibration.